Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu isarwa sendoda lezi just njena recently on the news, I think it was Sowetan Citizen if I'm not mistaken, but on the media there was stories in regards to a traditional doctor and a medical doctor. Other newspapers have covered a medical doctor part of it, others it was a traditional doctor saying that ayikho into yokuthiwa uzale wembethe. Okay. I received calls from several newspapers, radios, and wanted to find out my opinion isarukwazi sendoda ukuthi wegogo phela kuthiwa ayikho lento le okuthiwa ukuzala wembethe. And one of the traditional healers that says that I once went to him when I was still in denial of my calling, and he said to me, ngazalwa ngembethe. He said it. He was telling me something that I know, but he said it ukuthi ngazalwa ngembethe. And now to hear him saying again ukuthi ayikho lento yazalwa ngembethe, I don't know whether should I go and ask for my refund, because he once told me ukuthi ngazalwa ngembethe. Masakayishintsha manje, which means I need to get my refund with an interest for that matter. But ngani zakwethu, I think this one as traditional healers we have to leave it to you guys. I'm not in the game to convince people. People who have been esarukwazi sendoda, they will know I'm not in the game to convince people. I'm not in the game to push people to do what they don't want to do what they don't believe in doing. I'm not in that game. I'm not in that space. It's not my space. My duty is very simple and difficult in its own league, which is to heal people. So this thing lena ukuthi suddenly akukho ukuzala wembethe. Suddenly I've met doctors, medical doctors, who have confirmed to say yes, it does happen. But now to find somebody omdala and just say no, it's not, it's non-existing, that thing ukuthi umuntu uzala wembethe. What about people abathi babushanda wathi kimi ngazala ngembethe, wangilungisela amagobongo, wangembula, izinto zami zakhanya. Zikhanyiswe yini ke if ever kuthiwa akukho ukuzala wembethe? That is my question. I refuse to take most of the interviews because I felt ukuthi I don't have to justify myself on this issue ukuthi ngempela bakhona abantu abazala bembethe and everything. All I can say to those people abathi akekho umuntu kuthiwa uzala wembethe, keep your opinion to yourself, because you are misleading people. It's like umuntu ozophuma e-TV athi ayikho into kuthiwa ubuthakathi. It's the same. Athi umuntu into kuthiwa ubuthakathi into engekho njena. Abantu njena bayayiphuphela nje mabakhuluma indaba ubuthakathi. So guys, it's up to you. You have to take a decision. You have met somebody okuthiwa wazala wembethe, walungisela izinto zakhe zakhanya. You have met somebody okuthiwa wazala wembethe wamisela amagobongo into zakhe zakhanya. Other people, they even go to an extent to say indaba yamagobongo into engekho. Okay. What about a person okoba nenkinga egula ebangwa nezibi, but after sekenzelwa amagobongo into zakhe ziyakhanya, into zakhe zihamba kahle? What about that? Those are simple questions that I ask people. So it's up to individuals, guys. Ukuthi sithini kubantu, are we misleading our African fellows, or we giving them the right direction? I'm not in the debate. I'm not opening a debate about this, but most of the viewers talk about this, because this thing is really disturbing. It's really, I didn't want to talk about it because to me it's disturbing. Mina ngachela uma ukuthi ngazala ngembethe for the very first time. As I'm telling you, when I went to this person, ngiyosho kuyena ukuthi izinto zami azihambe kahle, ngicela ngicheckele, wathi ngazala ngembethe fanele ngembula. Mina wayengitshela into engiyaziyo vele ngoba uma wangitshena khona ubaba umthandazi ngakithi ubaba uMhlongo, he was extreme, and I think nalakhona uingilosi ekhanya enganeni zakhe. He once told me as well ukuthi wena wazala eMbethe futhi uma akho khona egcekeni hamba yomlanda sikhulume naye lento le. Mom came and confirmed that bokuyinto evela uma akayikhuluma even before. So then masekuthiwa okay uma she has never been to school. Uma she's not educated. She wouldn't know ukuthi what was happening. As much as bengaqali ngami ukuzala, but she wouldn't know what was happening. But esibhedlela bamtshela bathi mawuzale kanjena chaza ukuthi ingane yakho iyembethe ngoba iphuma imbozekile yonke indawo. So and then now suddenly somebody says no, akukho ukuzala wembethe. I don't even want to read those articles in Ganzawet. I don't want to. So in Ganzawet is up to us, is up to individuals ukuthi what is it that we believe ukuthi iyona noma kuyona. Ukuzala wembethe kukhona kuyiqiniso noma kwamanga. Maybe let's open a debate about it, but I'm not going to comment because this thing pissed me off. Ukuthi people that we look up to, people that we trust, people that we went to consult to, people that they just want to try, they're trying so hard to be relevant and just say akukho ukuzala wembethe. You once said it on the media. You once said it on one of your shows in the national radio stations. You once said it on a Facebook page. You once said it to me, you once told people who came to your place to consult, suddenly, wow, Thokoza, Thokoza. Koko bathini mbatha, I'm very disappointed. Koko bathini mbatha esarwa sendoda mavula kuvala emzini maya madoda. Ishingisani somoya. Even this weekend ngiyombula abanye. Saturday ngiyombula, Sunday ngiyokwembula, kusasa njengoba kuyi Friday Friday kusasa ngiyokwembula and everything. I'm talking about people who called me but bayasilahlekisela abantu ushando. Thina sayibona imisebenzi yakho uyenza in regards to ukwembula abantu, in regards to kumisela abantu amagobongo. Sicela usenzele nathi into zethu zokhanya. Full stop. 083 533 9183. Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu.